Hi there. Let's do 1 minus 4, parentheses 1 minus 4. If you move from left to right, you'd start here. And that would be 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And you're going to be multiplying that times, let's do 2 steps at the same time. 1 minus 4 is also negative 3. A negative times a negative is a positive, and 3 times 3 is 9. There's a lot of things to remember there with those negatives, but this is still a wrong answer because I did not follow the order of operations. Let's go over that again. Parentheses first, which I didn't do. I started with the subtraction in the front. Then you would do exponents. Then you do multiplication and division in order from left to right. And then you would do adding and subtracting in order from left to right. So that was my fatal error right there. That subtraction should have been happening last. So let's cover this up and redo it. Starting with the parentheses, that 1 minus 4. So we have 1 minus this 4. And inside here, we would have a negative 3. Now we got something a little tricky going on right here. When I do these, I just multiply the negative 4 times the negative 3. I don't worry about whether this is plus or minus or whatever that is, because this makes it work out nicely without thinking about it too hard. So I have this 1. A negative 4 times a negative 3 is a positive 12. And when you add those two together, you're going to get a 13. And that is the correct answer. Tricky with all the negatives, huh?